Expect spotty rain and storms on Thursday. Good Wednesday night, East Tennessee. David Aldrich, Captain Accurate here from the Captain Accurate Weather Command Center. Well, you can see all the storms are either in Florida or the Ohio Valley, even a few in parts of eastern Kentucky, stretching across the Midwest of the country. You can track it pretty easily. All you have to do is use the Captain Accurate Weather app. It's free. It's got Pete Michaels traffic 24/7 on the app. Check it out and download it today. But you'll notice it's quiet in Tennessee tonight. They've had a lot of heat out west. Memphis hit triple digits again today. But we had a hot day today in Knoxville as well. We hit 92 degrees, not a record. 95 is the record high. It was set back in 1931 and 1955. It's a twofer. We had 2 years where we hit 95 on this date, the 21st of September, but that was 11 degrees above average. And I was expecting 93, and we did hit 93 in Sevierville. It was 92 in Knoxville, 91 Oak Ridge and Clinton, 91 Maryville, 91 Athens and Tellico Plains, 90 in Morristown. But look at that, triple-digit heat in Nashville. That's crazy. 102 in Memphis broke another record high. That's 2 in a row. Yesterday they tied the record high. Today they beat it by 4 degrees. Not just 1 degree, not just 2, 4. The record high was 98 from 2010. They blew that away today with a 102 reading from 2022. Now, if we add up our 90-degree days, and I'll probably show this last time here, because I know there's those of you who are curious. Yes, it's mid to late September. We averaged 34 days, or about a month per year on average, and that's going back to 1871. But if you look back at this calendar year, we had 2 in May, 12 in June, 18 in July, 5 in August. That was half the average. September came in right at average. So we ended up with 41 days so far. Don't think we're going to see any more, but 41 days matches what we had all of last year. So 2021 was 41 days. This year, 21 days. Coinky dinky, yes, but again, is it a trend? Who knows? Who's to suggest it'll be that way again next year? Because it could be vastly different. Every year is different. It's like every snowflake is not the same. But those are your 90-degree days in Knoxville. You take a look at the heat waves. We had a total of 6, and the hottest days we had at all was 96. We hit 96 3 times this year. But you go back to June 13th and 17th, June 21st, 24th. The longest heat wave was 10 days. That was June 29th through the 8th of July. We had 4 days between the 15th and 18th. And if you're playing the home game version, our last couple of them, 3 in a row is usually what we construe as a heat wave, was July 22nd, 24th, August 27th through the 29th. So 3 days at 96 that came in June. Last year, our hottest day was 98. So we actually had a couple hotter days last year. Earth is tilted on its axis at 23.5 degrees. That's nothing new from science class. The Earth's tilt is what gives us our seasons. And September 22nd through the 23rd usually is when we expect the autumnal equinox to occur. Equal day, equal night. But it's interesting because tomorrow evening is when that will actually take place. It will occur at 9:04 in the evening. So I say we have another full day of summer tomorrow. And then really Friday will be the first full day because it will be daylight Friday. You could say that's autumn. Earth's axis is tilted neither toward nor away from the sun in this actual occurrence, so you get equal amount of daylight and darkness at all latitudes. So maybe you're ready for the apple orchard. Maybe you're ready for an apple to fall off the tree. Maybe you're ready to load up the truck, say, "Get out of my way, Aldrich, I'm loading up the apples." Okay, maybe you're going to get lost in the corn maze with the kids, with or without the map. I'd say without the map's more fun. Anyway, ready for this? Maybe it's a pumpkin patch or hayride, whatever you're doing this fall. Just know it will ebb and flow. Tailgating Saturday, I'm expecting partly cloudy skies. I've had to add in some drizzle possible, but the low should be in the mid-50s. High temperature 82. So if you're tailgating early, you're in the 50s. By the end of the game, or at least by the end of the start of the game, 82, because it's a 3:30 start against the Gators. And of course, I should mention it's Gator Hater Week. So maybe you're cooking dogs, maybe you're cooking burgers. Maybe you're cooking gator. Who knows what's on that grill? It's a possibility. Anyway, it is Gator Hater Week, so we're just going to get ready for the game. It's an exciting game. Obviously, go Big Orange. The game is at 3:30. The Gators have lost to the Kentucky Wildcats. So they're 2-1. Of course, our Vols are 3-0. I fully suspect we will win that game handily. But kickoff, 82. Halftime 81, fourth quarter 74. I've added the words drizzle possible. Winds will be light 3 to 8 miles per hour on Saturday. Neyland Stadium. That's my expectation for the big game this Saturday. Now, Futurecast shows this big area of high pressure beginning to move away. This cold front comes in, but the moisture is well behind it. Some of the models want to put that front near Nashville at 7 in the morning. This one puts it over Knoxville. So there's obviously a timing difference, which could play a role as to when this may flare up or not flare up. But there shows some green there you can see around Knoxville, and it moves away pretty quickly. So don't expect a lot of moisture tomorrow, but the chance is still there. Maybe, just maybe, a rumble of thunder. But by 8 o'clock Friday morning, we could be easily in the upper 40s. Upper 40s. I mean, I got to turn on the heat when it's up in the 40s. Maybe a hoodie. I had some of you say when we were in the 40s, say, it's cold. I got to wear a sweater. It's that kind of cool weather. And then maybe, just maybe, depending on how this warm front behaves, we bring in some of the drizzle Saturday morning. And that's what those warm fronts do to you. As a forecaster, they move like this. They're kind of hard to track. It's a little easier to track a cold front, but the warm fronts kind of snake along, and they may bring in more moisture or very little. But right now, I'll leave it at drizzle, and we'll be adding the chance to 20% if needed with another look at it tomorrow. But that's Saturday's expectation. Tonight, we're down to 69 degrees, mostly clear. It is still humid, more humid, and winds 0 to 5 miles per hour. We look ahead to tonight, 67 La Follette, Morristown, 67 Crossville, 65 Oneida. Tomorrow's forecast, not as hot. 85, hazy sunny clouds, some spots of rain, maybe a rumble of thunder. But the winds pick up 5 to 15 plus, and they could be gusting 20, 25 miles per hour very easily tomorrow. Notice the temperature. As wise as say 88, Athens and Tellico Plains, but only 75, Jamestown and Oneida. It's the cold front. Where are you going to place it? Well, that's going to have a role in how our temperatures are. I mean, it could be vastly different. It could be 13 degrees different from Oneida and Tellico Plains and Athens. I mean, that's just the way it goes. 86 for Newport, 86 for Maryville, but I'm expecting low to mid-80s here in the heart of the valley. Morristown, about 82 degrees for your Thursday afternoon high. Here's your Captain Accurate Weather Authority forecast for Knoxville and East Tennessee. Spotty showers, maybe a rumble of thunder tomorrow at 85, but much cooler, 74, and we struggled to get there after starting off at 49 degrees. Can you believe that? Drizzle possible Saturday, pair of 7s on Sunday. I've moved that up to 40%. Most of the rain's going to come in now Sunday night and be gone right around sunrise. Right around sunrise, if not before Monday morning. So we'll go mostly sunny, mid-70s on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So hopefully that helps you plan accordingly. By the way, you can keep track of it all using the Captain Accurate Weather app with Pete Michaels Traffic. It's free. Download it at the App Store or Google Play. And very excited to have the app. It's world class. And like I said, it also tracks earthquakes in addition to the tropics, in addition to lightning and all the rest. So if you haven't figured all the features out, I've got 7 app tutorials on the app to guide you through step by step. Anyway, my name is David Aldridge. Some people call me Captain Accurate. It's not easy being accurate, so weather doesn't surprise you. We'll see you here next time. Take care.